Hi everyone, my name is Alyssa Weens and I'm the photographer with Light the Iris Photography. And I am here today to show you new mamas at home who've just had babies, but unfortunately because of COVID, you can't have me or another photographer come in and photograph your little one. So I want to show you how you can take beautiful photos of your newborn right at home using only your phone. Now, my suggestion would be to you, before you dive into this, before you kind of get going, would be that even though it's not a photo shoot, as in you're having a photographer come in, I would still do all the prep work just the same. That's how you're going to have awesome photos that you love. So I would think about what you want to wear. I would think about what you want to dress your kids in, your husband, have sort of those family outfits all put together and ready to go. And then there are some prep work bits that I actually need you to do in order to ensure that you have great photos. So before I go into a house and start doing newborn photos, I always email mamas and ask them to do 3 things for me before we start. The first is to heat the house to about 24 degrees. The reason for this is because your baby has been in the womb cooking at like 37, 38 degrees for months. And when they come out, if your house is chilly, even at 20, they get cold so fast. So having a warm house makes them happier, they're more likely to sleep, and it also makes their skin look better. So we want to have a really warm house. Despite our husband's chagrin, usually. They don't like it so warm, they get sweaty. If you can't heat the house to 24 degrees, then you want to grab a space heater and make sure it's in the room where you're going to be shooting for at least about 30 minutes beforehand. Now, worst case scenario, if you can't heat the house up to about 24, if you don't have a space heater, you can use a blow dryer. And actually, babies love the sound, they love the feeling of blow dryers. Just make sure that the warm air is kind of on them, but not too close. So we want to heat the house. The next thing we want to do is have some white noise. Now, on my phone, I have an app called the White Noise app. And it works awesome. It was free. You just download it from the App Store. I don't know if you can see it. Probably you can't. But anyways, it's pink. And it says white noise on it, and it's got like the little noise bars on it. And then my favorite sound and the one that works best for me in photographing babies is called Heavy Rain. So you want to have that going. You want to have it right next to you, and you want to have it loud. You do this because, one, if you've got little ones running around the house, they're going to be screaming, making noise, and this will help baby stay asleep. And 2, it actually just helps baby get into a really deep sleep. And we want to do everything we can to keep baby comfy, to keep baby zonked out, and to keep them, just like in a deep sleep so that you can go ahead and move them around as you need to for photos. And then the third thing you need to do in preparing for the photo shoot is to make sure that you have baby full to the brim. Both sides offered, fed for as long as it takes, no shortcuts here. My only suggestion would be that and I hope that you are planning to take photos of you with your baby. That's a very important part of this. You want to make sure you're capturing you. Is you actually want to put the effort into getting ready before you fill baby up. So have dad hold baby, have baby asleep in a swing or crib or whatever earlier in the day and get ready. Do your hair, do your makeup, and then you want to get baby full to the brim. The idea is to have baby sleeping, so maybe don't let baby sleep before the photo shoot, keep them awake, and then feed baby, get ready yourself while they're awake, feed baby to the brim, and then you want to start the photo shoot. And you want to do this because if you are handling baby and they're hungry even a little bit and you're the one working around them, they're going to smell you. They're going to smell your milk and they are just going to want to eat, and it's not going to go well. So you need to make sure that you take as much time when they are full to the brim to do photos and not worry about you getting ready. So get ready, feed baby, and then start the shoot. A few other things to consider is the location. So I almost always do as much of my photo shoots as I can in the master bedroom. And the reason is a bed is just such a great surface to work on. It's comfy, it's a good height, not on the floor. And then also most bedrooms have a large window that you can work with. So it's just a great space. For these videos, I'm going to be showing you how to take photos. I'm going to do a set that's just simple, a white blanket. Baby's just going to be in a diaper, not wrapped up or anything, and we're going to have baby just on the bed. And this is a set of shots that I do to get baby's details of the features. So baby's eyelashes, baby's nose, baby's mouth, baby's ears, fingers, toes. All of those things are going to be with just a white blanket so that baby is just front and center. And then I'm going to do a video that is going to show you how to wrap baby up in a blanket or in a wrap and in a basket, and then how to get those shots. So that's just baby again. And then I'm going to do a video that shows you siblings with baby, as well as just baby with mom and then with dad. And then a photo shoot of the whole family and just mom and dad. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's going to be good. One thing I want to say before I shut down this video and move on to showing you the white blanket set is if you feel like taking a trip and coming to my house, I live in Sundance, and you want to borrow a wrap or a basket or fur, you are more than welcome to do that. I'll show you what I've got. If you want to come on down and borrow a headband, wrap, whatever you want, that's fine. I'll just grab a deposit from you so that we make sure everything comes back, and you are welcome to do that. So I'm excited. I'm excited for you to do your own little photo shoot at home. Again, remember, it's only on my end, it's just a camera and a ton of patience and gentle handling on baby. On your end, it's the prep work. So make sure you do that prep work even though you're doing these photos yourself. It really is going to yield beautiful results. So choose an outfit you love, that you feel good in, light, solid colors for your kids, dark bottoms. Cardigans for mom are great, loose shirts, whatever you feel good in. No heavy prints, no really dark colors is my preference anyways. And yeah, so enjoy and good luck.